This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from Pilote. This is the G740C Expression. Costs 86,720. 7.5 meter class van, 4 sitting places, 4 standing places, and it's got 2 meters of standing height up there. Bed up front, L-shaped lounge, kitchen, and a queen bed in the back. Now, it looks rather bare as far as the internal decor is concerned. I would say it's somewhat Spartan at best. Wardrobes either side of the bed, and nothing unusual about that. And these things here, storage compartments, and oh, there's a bit of a ledge there, as you can see, so you can things will fall out, but they won't fall out from the very bottom, at least not immediately. When the vehicle moves, everything falls out. We've got room dividers here. Sorry, room divider here, which I'll demonstrate using one hand, if I can. There we go. And that comes across, and that stops you getting out at night. So that's your bedroom. Any thoughts? What was that? Looks like a prison cell. Aye. What a thing to say. Let's have a look under this. You can store things in there as well. And if I open this, you'll be able to see the chest of drawers, which is beneath it. You might be able to see it. Well, we'll see if you can see it. You can see it. There it is. And here we've got, what could this be in here? Oh, this is exciting. Oh, it's the water tank. And right, so you can see it's got a double floor. You can see this is a bit of a tight fit. There's the shower. 2 levels of it inside. Not too certain what that point of that is. There might be a point. I'm sure there is a point. Shower's big though, as you can see. I'm going to walk in the shower right now. There's me in the shower. There's the shower, you see, up here. And plenty of room inside, see? And I've got my shoes on. And, you see, not too bad. Okay, here in the kitchen, 2 burners is the in thing in 2022. So if you've got 3 burners in your van, you really want to rip them out. You don't want anybody seeing that. They'll think that's dreadfully passé. Kitchen comes with these things here. And USBs, 12 volts, hook up, the usual sort of stuff. The bed will come down. To get the bed here to come down, you have to move the seats down. I tried doing this in a video last night, and as I need 2 hands, you know, it's not really a very feasible option. Of course, I could sort of leave the camera here with somebody else if they permitted me to come here with a second person, but when I requested a second person, I was refused. So there you go. Just in the double floor. Bit of space there. Finishing. Look at that. Right. This is the display model. Oh. And here we have, what do you think's in here? More space. Oh, there's a blue thing in here. I wonder what that could be. No idea. Somebody stuck it in here, I think. 86,000 euros. I don't think that was done by a visitor either. Oh, there's more lights coming on. What could have happened to make the lights come on more? These things are a bit fiddly. The reason the lights came on now is because there is somebody outside who's turned them on. But that's the master switch. And the this wouldn't normally happen in a motorhome because it's connected to the battery's disconnected, I think, and they've got a master switch for all the rest. Anyway, so right, we're on to this one now. We'll have a look at this here. 740 GJ, 85,000 euros. This one here, as I recall, is 795 centimeters. I think it's 8-meter class anyway. And let's have a walk down, have a look. All right, so lights are not on. We'll have to see if we can turn them on. This one comes with some sanitation stuff, and so I'll just I'll stick it on, seeing as it's here. I like to do my bit. And all right, this one here's got a German layout at the back, so GJ must stand for German J, whatever. Write your answer below for that one. Rest of it is exactly the same. How come this one is longer than the other one? Don't know. It does seem to be longer. No, there's a mystery. Maybe it isn't. Maybe it just seems to be. I'm going to come over here to the sign and we're going to look it up. So the GJ and the C are the same size. Look at that. Sorry, I got that wrong. GJ and C, and they're 7.5 meters. So sorry, my mistake. Just as well I looked it up, and mind you, it looked to me anyway. It looks to me as though it's 8 meters. I'm usually quite good at these things as well. Anyway, all right. Now we'll have a look at this one here. This is G690 GJ. What a horrible name. 83,860. And lights on. Can't see the difference between this and the other one. Right, this one hasn't got any of that sanitation cream in it. Maybe that is what's happening here. Right. Oh, this is a bit different. There's a better hob in that one. Right, we'll now have a look at the garages. Oh, it comes with this thing here called the Experience. Put my lights on, and so it shows what's going on in the van. Oh, hey, this has got clean water in it. Normally they're empty. All right, let's now have a look at the garage and the other garage and the final garage, the one we started off with, and that's your gas cabinet. Now, what I wanted to show here was that this is the queen bed, and so you've got, I think it looks as though slightly less space in here. Show you what else we've got here. Frankia, sort of the luxury brand of one of the two luxury brands of Pilote. and the other one's down there, Le Voyageur. Got some camper vans down there, Yukon, and the cheaper models on the Pilote series are here, with one exception, which is this one here, the G740 Evidence, at a price of 82,000 euros, which I shall take you into. Actually, I like this one better. Well, this far, I'm not sticking on a German layout. I have to put the lights on at the back. If I can. I can't. Storage under the bed. And, right, well, there you have it. Pilote integrated models. Come back to them I started off with. And so, hope you found that of interest. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Dusseldorf.